Welcome everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to refresh your Instagram chats with a brand new look. Whether you want to match a friend's vibe or just brighten up your conversations, changing your chat theme is quick, easy, and totally customizable. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Once you're in, head over to your chats by tapping the paper plane or messenger icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your direct messages. Now, scroll through your conversations and pick the chat you want to personalize. Maybe it's your best friend's thread, a group chat, or even a new conversation you just started. Once you've opened the chat, look at the top of the screen. You'll see the name or username of the person or group you're messaging. Tap on that name, and a menu will pop up. Here's where the fun begins. Among the options, you'll spot one labeled Theme. Go ahead and tap it. Instagram will now show you a colorful array of themes to choose from. You'll find everything from playful patterns to sleek gradients. Want something bold? Try the vibrant sunset theme. Prefer a cozy vibe? The coffee-stained background might be your pick. There are even seasonal options for holidays or special occasions. Scroll through the list and don't be afraid to experiment. Tap any theme to preview it instantly. When you've found the perfect match, simply tap Select at the bottom of the screen. Boom! Your chat just got a makeover. You'll notice the background, message bubbles, and even the overall color scheme shift to reflect your new theme. Go ahead and send a quick message to see how it looks in action. Now, here's a pro tip. If you ever want to switch back to the original Instagram look, scroll down in the theme menu until you see the colors and gradients section. The very first option is default. Tap it, and your chat will return to its classic blue and purple gradient. And that's all there is to it. In just a few taps, you've transformed your chat into a space that feels uniquely yours. Whether you're coordinating with a friend's personality or just spicing up your daily conversations, themes are a simple way to add flair. Try different styles for different chats, maybe a calm palette for work discussions and a bright theme for your weekend plans. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Happy chatting.